So I'm the primary investigator on the pro² project Active Materials Library. So in this project, we're looking at the challenge space of how people fabricate interactive devices. So currently people will fabricate interactive devices, they'll prototype them, they'll produce them in small quantity of runs through component-based methods, so by assembling and soldering methods. However, we actually explore the potential to use active materials, so to use things like electroluminescent paint and conductive paints in order to build materials automatically through 3D printing and through spray. In this project, we identify that there's an issue with the transparency of information, of where that information comes from, for how people can actually explore those active materials. Specifically, there are active materials being developed in a research context, but also by hobbyists and by artists, as well as in industry. And what we want to do is we want to conglomerate all of that information and make it accessible to the everyday maker, as well as those who are developing 3D printing technologies. Through the Active Materials Library, we're looking at improving transparency of domain knowledge, so the ability for makers to input knowledge into this digital repository, and then to get knowledge out, and to use that knowledge to explore and develop their own use of active materials and the potential for 3D printing interactive devices.